In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make 1-inch margins on Google Docs. Setting custom margins in your Google Doc might seem tricky if you're not familiar with the process, but don't worry. I'll guide you through it step by step and make sure you feel confident by the end of this tutorial. First, let's open up your Google Docs document. Once you've got your document open, you'll want to direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. What we're aiming for is to locate the File tab nestled right there on the toolbar. Go ahead and click on File, which is going to prompt a drop-down menu. This is the menu where various document options are housed, and right now, the one we're interested in is Page Setup, so be sure to click on that. Now that we have the Page Setup dialog box open, you will notice it shows several options, including one for adjusting your page's margins. In some older versions of Google Docs, you might remember seeing margins set by default in centimeters. However, Google has streamlined this process, and we now have margins set in inches, which is more commonly used, especially in formats requiring specific inch measurements. So here's how to make those adjustments. Look for the 4 small boxes labeled for each side of the page: top, bottom, left, and right. You'll want to change each of these numbers to 1, ensuring that all 4 sides of your document have a 1-inch margin. Take a moment to enter the number 1 into each input box carefully and double-check to make sure the information is correctly entered. Once you've set all 4 boxes to 1, you're almost done. The final step is to click OK to confirm and apply these changes. By doing this, your document will now have perfectly aligned 1-inch margins on all sides, providing a clean and professional look, which can be especially important for reports, essays, or any formal documents you might be preparing. And just like that, you've successfully adjusted your margins in Google Docs. With these steps, you can ensure your document always meets the required formatting standards or personal preferences you might have. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more informative content like this. Thanks for watching, and have a great day optimizing your Google Docs experience.